Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a wig tutorial. This video is pretty quick and easy because I did not want to make it drawn out for you guys, but this wig is also from my collection with Glam Sessions Beauty Academy. It's a 613 wig. It is 20 inches, but let's go ahead and get into it. So I am using Adore's Paprika and Kiss Cajun Spice. I also went in with the Adore hair color again with Sky Blue just to cool it down some so it wasn't too orangey or too red. So with this method, I'm going to do the watercoloring method. I just didn't feel like getting out my bowl and my brush and potentially missing any spots. And I just feel like with the watercoloring method, it just really gets through. But you also want to make sure you take a comb or something to brush that color through as well, so you don't have any blonde streaks or any other color streaks than the color that you're desiring to have. Also, when doing the watercolor method, make sure your water is hot, if not boiling hot as well. But if you're going to do boiling hot, be sure to be careful, of course, and stay on the stove with that. Don't set that down anywhere else. But I just use some really hot water for my sink because my sink's water gets really, really hot. And I'm going to be in here dipping this until I get the desired color that I want. Oh, just a tip, just because some people don't know this, but if you have a 613 wig, guys, you do not need to bleach the knots. It's already been bleached and over-processed, but not in a bad way over-processed, but you don't need to bleach the knots on this. You will destroy your wig. Just go ahead and color it, style and pluck as need be. So after dipping this a few times, I actually went ahead and set my timer for about 10 minutes or so, just so I can really have that color seep in there. I kept dipping it, but I really wanted it to sit. So I set my timer for 10 minutes, and when I came back, I just made sure that the color was thoroughly through that wig. I even combed it out a few times just to make sure that color was evenly spread. Now I'm going to go rinse the hair. Also, when you're rinsing out any color, you want to rinse it in cold so that way that water doesn't run out. I use a semi-permanent hair color for this wig just because actually there was really no real reason why. I could have used any color, but I wanted to use semi-permanent on this one. I was going for a fall ginger look, and these are the three colors that I wanted to use, but use cold water when you're rinsing it out because it actually helps the color stick a lot more to the bundles or the hair. Now I'm going to pluck. So I'm not going to pluck on camera, honestly. I went ahead and turned it off. I started plucking, but I went ahead and turned the camera off just so I could watch some TV while I was plucking too. And then I don't normally pluck while my mannequin head is like on the table, so I also took the head off and put her in my lap so I could really go to town on that frontal. And then while it was wet too, for whatever reason, I don't like really care to pluck while it's wet. I actually like to do it while it's semi-wet. So I'll dry the hair, then I'll take the hot comb and the wax stick and comb it back so I can see where and how much I want to pluck. And this is what I got. She's definitely giving Kim Possible Daphne Blake. I actually named her Daphne just because I love the color. So now I'm going to style it. I just felt like doing a bust down middle part. My husband, actually, I asked him and I said, well, we're going to do the side part, the middle part, and he said bust it down. So we're doing the middle part. I'm trying to bring more hair content to my channel, guys, so definitely let me know what you guys might want to see next. I've been dabbling into these frontals and I actually like it. It's actually very relaxing for me to do so. So if you guys have any specific colors or any other styles you guys want to see me do not hesitate to comment down below and let me know what you want to see. Yes, girl, we got to make sure that wig is flat. Also, all the wigs that you do see me post on here will be up for sale. Just contact me via email or through my Instagram to purchase your wigs. They will come customized. And if you do have any special requests as far as your color customizations, just let me know in the email or in the messages so that way I can get it to you the way it needs to be. So I did notice when I was lightening or coloring, I'm sorry, not lightening, when I was coloring her hair, she did have some darker spots in her hair, and I think that's just when I put the hair dye back in the bucket and it wasn't fully mixed, so it was just kind of blotchy in there, but it actually worked. It actually just came out looking like low light, so I'm actually happy with the way it looks. I feel like it gives it more definition. So now I'm just gonna curl and style. Once again, I was watching 101 in the background, so y'all can see my snacks and all that stuff over there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and curl her hair with a flat iron. I need to get a bigger curling iron, but right now this will do. So I just took the hair, curled it, and held it back up while it was still hot and sprayed it with some Got2b glue spray, so that way the curls can still hold.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe.
Oh, if you didn't notice, but during this part I was also changing the directions of the, I guess I can call it the ferrule, but of the flat iron, so that way I had different movement in different areas. I didn't all want it to just go one way. So as you can see, I am curling the last portion of the hair, which is the bangs in the front. And look at that color, look at that shine. I had to get my photos in because I just thought she looked really pretty. All the hair that I just plucked from her hairline too. So now I'm going to comb it out with a wide tooth comb so that way we don't lose the curls, because I don't want the curls to get frizzy. So I'm just going to comb it out with that wide tooth portion. And I also sprayed it with some wig spray. Y'all know this OG wig spray. It smells so good too, because your hair can smell like flat iron, or it can smell like the shampoo stuff that you might have washed it with, but this right here will get rid of that wig smell. Like, look at her. Oh, y'all, in this part I was also watching RPD 2. I'm actually go back and watch it because I really wasn't watching it. It was just in the background and it looked like it was good. So I'm gonna go back and watch it. But that's what that craziness is you see on my TV. I'm like, come on, Miss Daffy, like she is giving. So this is the final results, guys. I was so happy with the way it came out. She looks so pretty. I cannot wait to install it on somebody. I'm not going to do it myself. I'll probably do that another time. But definitely let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I will see you next time, guys.